Okay guys, so we're going to record today, and we're going to play Roblox. This is my first computer video. Can't wait to upload this. So we're going to play Tower of Hell. Actually, no age.
How is it 5?
Age simulator.
How is it 5:30 p.m.?
Yeah, that's my
Guys, how's it 5?
I'm playing Age Simulator instead of Tower of Hell. So yeah, I have no family because I just joined. You press Q to punch. Hello, woman, I'm going to punch you. Die. That's me pressing Q. Man, I gotta get. Come on. Get punched, woman. Okay, I'm gonna. He has to be here. You're so ugly. Die. Die, woman. Die. Die, woman. Okay, no. Okay, I suck. Okay, die, woman. Die. Woman, are you going to die or not? Just die, woman. So ugly. I guess this woman is invincible. Us. What age are you? Age 500? What? This guy's a giant. What age is this guy? Bet he's younger. Okay, yeah, he's younger though. I'm age 2. And I'm underground. There, I'm not underground. I just flipped over by a giant. So I'm actually 6 right now. I became 6 12 days ago. I don't even know how much days ago, but I still go in kindergarten, and though I'm 6. I used to be 5 in my old videos. Okay, I'm going to climb this tree.
Your mom doesn't let you play.
Okay, that's my better. When did I become so bad at hobbies? Okay, I still have not been invited to a family. I need a family. I'm gonna say that in the chat. Oh, how dare you punch me, you little mean guy!
It's because of jailbreak?
How dare you punch me? Nobody's caring. Nobody's caring if I'm dead.
Well, tell her you won't play that game.
I need a family. I need a family. I'm literally the age of 1. Hey, mean. Okay, people are being toxic.
Except for my Pikachu shirt.
Okay, that's much better. You made a Pikachu shirt. Oh, what's this? Is this a secret? Whoa! Hi, online daters. I found a secret. Yay. I found the secret. Found the secret.
I think you're
This
gonna
is the crystal
make better
case.
animation videos.
I record.
My crazy.
Wait, how do you crouch in this game? Okay. Well, let me check. I got.
It doesn't show.
Wait. Wait. I'm going and YouTube. I forgot my channel's name. Nope. YouTube. YouTube.com. Okay, let's go on my channel. Let's see what it's called. Okay, let me. Wait. Go. Oh, where's that little? And something else. I forgot. Dude, I forgot. Well, I know the name, but I don't know how to spell it. No, I forgot to spell it. Now I can't tell.
I don't see it. I am in your YouTube channel. I can't find it.
That's me pressing the keys. Okay, I'm H5. There's not a fight. No. Stop lying. I was checking my YouTube channel's name. Stop lying. That's actually me laughing. No, I didn't steal your Dorito. No.
I can't find it.
Okay. I can't move!
I can't find it.
Bro, I can't. I'll check the.
Can you send me a link to it?
I don't even know where I was walking at. I don't even. Oh, I see the same place. This is where I was going. Okay, that's the. Oh.